Why do we have metrics? What is it about metrics that we need for our business? What is it about metrics that we don't like? I know, speaking personally, metrics have never been my thing. I've never really attracted, if you use that word, attracted to metrics when I had my practices and ran my practices. The only metric I really tracked was what Mike 𝐒𝐿𝐽𝐽 now famously refers to as bank balance accounting. I didn't realize what that was, but I think we all do it, right? At one point or another, we open up an account of our business, and if there's money in it, we smile. And if there's no money in it, we are in a bad mood. And my mood would change day to day, sometimes hour to hour, because that's how I was tracking the success of my business, whether there was money and deposits in there. 3 payroll month, bad mood, Jamey. 2 payroll month with a lot of money that was coming in, especially maybe from old accounts or some lawyers that finally settled cases. Oh, happy Jamey. But of course, we all are smarter than that, and we all know that that is not the way to build a business. What metrics do is metrics are facts. If your reporting is not accurate, then you can make bad decisions based on poor information. But assuming your metrics are accurate, and with so many fancy EMRs out there with a lot of reporting stuff, it should be, I see the word should, then metrics are facts. Now, for me, sometimes it was a little bit of an ego blow to know what my metrics were. Like, did I really want to know my cancellation rate? Did I really want to know my profit margin? Did I really want to know my utilization? I knew I should know that stuff, but part of me, I didn't want to know. I already feel overwhelmed and I feel stressed, and I'm doing everything I can to build this darn business to help people. And it was a little, sometimes too much of a blow, like, I don't want to see how bad I'm doing. You know, metrics is a history lesson, especially for the metrics that we refer to as lag indicators. In other words, they have already happened, versus a lead indicator is something that could predict something. So when we look at our metrics, we're looking at how something was done. It's not just one thing. And I think it's important for us as we go through some of these metrics that you look at it not from an emotional standpoint. I know it's really difficult because we are emotional beings, but to operate your business in a high level emotional capacity will cause us to make poor decisions. And as business owners, one of our core functions, our core roles, is to make good decisions, or at least the best decision that we can with the information that we have at the time.